Hey y'all, it's Cousin Rosie, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to use my green seasoning. So, if you've been hiding under a rock, if you ain't been keeping up with me, I did release my own seasoning company just a couple weeks ago. This seasoning sold out the first week. Definitely one of the popular ones. It is my green seasoning, and I'm gonna show you how I use it, okay? So, come over here. So in this pot, I have my smoked turkey leg, okay? If you're not a person that likes to use meat in your greens, no problem, because my green seasoning is gonna hook it up regardless, okay? But I'm greedy. I like ham hocks, I like smoked turkey, fatback, whatever I like to put in my greens, so that's what I'm gonna do. However, again, if you don't wanna add meat and all the other good stuff to it, you don't have to, because this seasoning is pretty much, no, it's not pretty much, it is going to season your greens great regardless. In here, I have hickory smoke flavor, I have bell pepper, onion, garlic, salt, it even has vinegar. Jalapeno pepper, we're good, okay? So, it's pretty much, or is the all-purpose seasoning for greens, whether it's going to be collards, turnips, mustards, kale, spinach, cabbage, you can even use it on green beans, I can go on and on, broccoli. It's gonna hook it up regardless, okay? So, in here I have about 12 cups of water. Not chicken broth, water, plain old water, okay? So, I also have the turkey leg, like I said, you can use no meat, you can use the turkey leg like I'm using, or you can use a wing, okay? So what I'm gonna do, because this turkey leg is gonna take up a lot of room, y'all. I'm gonna try not to splatter myself again, but on top of that, I'm gonna remove the meat from the bone, okay? So usually if I didn't have my green seasonings, I would be chopping up bell pepper, onion, garlic, all that other stuff. Jalapeno, I don't have to, because you know what? It's all right here. For real. Okay, so I'm gonna continue to remove the turkey from there. This is a big old leg, y'all. Now, if the cameras wasn't here, I removed this bone, let it just cool down for a couple of seconds, and I'd eat the hell out of this meat. I'm gonna be honest with you. But they're here, so I gotta add proper. Now, for my greens, I'm lazy. I don't feel like filling up the sink with greens and doing all the extra, read all about it, cleaning. So I'm going to use the cut and clean greens, but let me tell you something. No matter how clean they say they are, you better give them things a clean, a rinse, something, okay? So, that's what we're gonna do. Okay, so I have my greens, collard greens, but of course you can use turnip, mustard, cabbage, you can mix it up. It don't matter. Whatever you wanna do you, boo. So we're gonna go ahead, leave no leaf behind. Put it in there. And I will be using about 6 pounds of greens, y'all. Now remember, this will be an edited video, so you're not going to watch me put all 6 pounds in there. Just know it's all there, okay? Before I added anything, I started the temperature on medium. And it took me, for that one turkey leg, I cooked it for an hour. I'm gonna turn the heat up to medium high. And when it comes to this seasoning, you know, I've been getting questions already about how much are you supposed to add, and honestly, you're supposed to season it to your own preference. I may want it a little more salty or less salty than you usually like your greens, but feel free to season it how you want to, okay? So what I do, honestly, I'm gonna be completely honest with you, I season it until my ancestors tell me to stop, okay? Real deal. So that's what I'm finna do. I'm gonna give y'all a little look at it. Can you see in there? So in here you have salt, bell pepper, hickory smoke flavor, jalapeno pepper. It's all in there. So what I'm gonna do now, let's go ahead And I want to use the big one. Yeah, I mean the smaller one. Just sprinkle it in. See, I ain't measuring right. I know what I like. Did you hear that? That was the ancestors telling me, stop, my child. So that's what I'm gonna do. I hear you, baby. I hear you, big mama. We're gonna stop right there. And we're gonna test it later on, see if we need a little more. And again, I'm not gonna add the onions and the vinegar and the garlic and the bell pepper like I usually do because it's all in the seasoning. It's all in my seasoning. So if you are interested in buying my seasonings, we have the green seasoning. I have my seasoning salt. I also have a barbecue rub. Y'all know my barbecue rub that was known as Rosie's barbecue rub? I have that too. I also have salt-free seasonings if you are a person that can't have a lot of salt. I have salt-free seasonings available. I have a Creole seafood boil seasoning that's up, chicken seasoning, seafood spice, and y'all, we got peach cobbler season coming in, so all you have to do is rip that bad boy open, sprinkle it on the peaches, okay? I got you hooked up. I also got oxtail seasoning coming out as well, and pork seasoning, and I'm telling y'all too much. I'm telling y'all way too much. But RosaMaySeasonings.com. Get it. RosaMaySeasonings.com. Right up in here, okay? All right, y'all, so the greens have been cooking for quite some time. Y'all know I always say quite some time, okay? Until I wanted them to cook. Because some people still like a little crunch to the greens. Some people like them soggy. Not soggy, but like super tender. You know, regardless of all that, the greens are done. So I'm gonna show it to you. So again, I use my Rosa May seasoning. And as you notice, I didn't have to add any other seasoning, okay? Because the vinegar, the hickory smoke, onion, bell pepper, it was all in the seasoning. I'm greedy, so I'm gonna continue piling this bowl until there's like no room. And one thing I also like is a lot of pot liquor, so I'm gonna put this down. I'm gonna put that bowl down. I'm gonna get some pot liquor. You know what pot liquor is? If you don't, it's the liquor of the pot, okay? It's all the juices, it's the greens and everything else made and all that goodness that's in there, that liquid, that's pot liquor. If you finish a pot of greens and there's still some pot liquor, you're not really finished. Because you use this liquid and you get some cornbread, some biscuits, whatever, and you'll suck it on up, okay? For real, I don't care how greedy that sounds. Pour it on over. You getting that, Leo? I'll pour it some more. Yum! My dogs are outside barking. This is a real household. So go ahead and don't ignore them, but just know it's real around these parts, okay, baby? It's real. This is my real kitchen. This ain't no studio kitchen. Don't worry, this is my bowl, okay? So if I want to all up on it, I can do so, because it's mine. Again, RosaMaySeasonings.com, you can get it. If you want to know about the restocks and all that other good stuff, because this seasoning sells out pretty fast, you have to go to RosaMaySeasonings.com and sign up for the mailing list so you can get notified whenever this restocks and we get new seasonings, okay? So other than seasonings, we also have cookware and more goodies coming. My mouth is watering, y'all, okay? It's freaking watering, I tell you. So, sorry, I'm loud, so I heard. I'm just getting all warm and tingly inside. I should have made some cornbread to go with this, okay? With some catfish, homemade tartar, hot sauce. Baby, these greens though, again, I had a smoked turkey in there. Hold on. Talk with my mouth full. I don't care. So, I use smoked turkey, but you don't have to, okay? I just like meat in my greens. I didn't use any chicken broth. I didn't use any turkey broth. Water. And this, okay? Water. And this, okay? So, go ahead, get the seasoning, RosieMaeSeasonings.com. We're also on Instagram and Facebook. Be sure to follow us on those as well because I'm always giving away promo codes via the mailing list, different codes on Facebook, and different codes on Instagram. Baby. So check this out, y'all. Make sure you're following me, Rosie, Cousin Rosie to be exact, on iHeartRecipes.com where you can get all of my free recipes sent to your mailbox for free. Don't forget to check out my book. Go ahead and buy it, y'all. It's on Amazon, at Target, Walmart, Barnes & Nobles, and plenty of other Costco's, Home Goods. It's everywhere, okay? Y'all get the gist. But go ahead, get the book, get my recipes. Follow me, iHeartRecipes, on Facebook and on Instagram. And if you want to see behind the scenes footage of this video and many more and all my other good stuff that I do, follow me on Instagram and on Facebook. Instagram is I am Rosie Mays. Facebook, Rosie Mays. All right, y'all, now I'm finna eat some more of these greens. And I'm about to be really piggish, more so than usual. So cameraman, cut it.